Hi, today we're going to be doing a science experiment putting sodium metal into Coke. Sodium metal is very reactive to liquid. It's kind of like a clay texture, but you can mold it, and it's got kind of a shiny interior. The sodium metal is so reactive that when it's shipped to me, it has to be shipped in mineral oil to keep it from being so reactive and possibly exploding during shipment. So we're going to drop this sodium metal into the Coke and see what the reaction is. Well, that was definitely a very explosive reaction. Took a little bit of time to happen, but as you can see, finally exploded the Coke, and so I think the sodium metal is a very volatile chemical, and so definitely not one you want to mess around with. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.